Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson I will show you how you can fix this kind of red eyes using the red eye tool, which is under the spot healing brush tool at the bottom, the red eye tool. And after correcting this, we will see how we can make a before and after version of our change. So we will press Ctrl J to duplicate our main layer, and we will make our changes in this layer. After selecting this tool, we can just click and that will fix it. We can also drag like this and that will work the same. Basically what it does is it finds that red area and paints it with black color like the human eye. And here the pupil size and darken amount values are set as 50% by default. You can change them if necessary, but in most of the cases you will find this will work just fine. So that's it for this tool. Now let's see how we can make a before and after version. We will double click this background layer to make it a normal layer, and we will select the crop tool to increase the canvas like this. Select the move tool to get rid of it, and now we can move this layer below. We need to increase it a little bit more. Press enter. So our edited layer is below, and now we can add a separator. Change the color blue, and we can also type some text here. We need to increase the size. Press Ctrl T and increase it like this. We can change the color. Make a copy of that text. So that's our before and after version of this change. So in this way you can make your before and after version. So that's it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next lesson.